So it's mid-November and everybody's starting to think about holiday gifts and things they can make to give people as like little gifts. So we're gonna make homemade marshmallows in hot chocolate cubes. So it's gonna be on a stick with a marshmallow and hot chocolate, and then you mix it in with hot milk. So to start, you are going to add 3 packets of this. It's like the clear Knox gelatin. So 3 packages of this. The box comes with 4. We just need 3. So 3 of these with a half a cup of cold water. Mix this just until it's kind of mixed in. It's blended with the water, just so that it's all mixed in and it kind of looks like that. And it's going to sit like that while you're preparing the rest of it. In a pan, we are going to combine 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and then salt. We just need 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of water. So we have the sugar, the corn syrup, the salt, and 1/2 cup of water in the saucepan, and we're going to cook this over medium heat until the sugar dissolves. So while that's heating up, we are going to lightly butter a 9x12 pan, and you're only buttering it so that the confectionery sugar that you're then gonna coat the pan with will stick. So you have to really make sure that all the powdered sugar sticks to the sides of this, because otherwise your marshmallows are going to stick and be really difficult to get out. So I've got a sieve and the powdered sugar, and I'm just going to, and you kind of want to do a lot of this, like I said, because otherwise the marshmallows are really going to stick, and that's not good. Okay, so let that sit, and let's go back to the pan to see. This is starting to dissolve, and it's going to be like a syrupy consistency. Just kind of keep stirring it here and there. It's starting to dissolve in the pan here. The sugar and the corn syrup and the salt and whatnot. So you're gonna need a candy thermometer, because this needs to boil and get to 240 degrees. This seems like a bigger deal than it is. It's really not. Okay, so we're at 240, and see how it's gotten it's clear. We're coming back over to our mixer, and this gel, it got like solid sort of while we were waiting. So with the mixer on low, you're going to slowly and very carefully, because this is kind of dangerous, pour the corn syrup sugar mixture in with the gelatin. You're going to turn this on high until it gets really white and thick. So this takes like 15 minutes. Okay, so here we are 15 minutes later, and it's this white, thick consistency. Forgot to mention that the smell of this at this point is gross. It's just got this like, just gross smell. But have no fear. We're gonna add vanilla and it's gonna make everything better. I use vanilla paste because I feel like the flavor's like more intense and I just like it better. It's, ooh, all right, so here we are. We're adding, more than a tablespoon. We're adding a tablespoon of vanilla paste into this. And then we're gonna mix it. Again, just mixing it, incorporating it. All right, I think that is good. This is a very, very messy part of this because now everything is very sticky. The whole thing is gonna go into the prepared pan that we used. Try to make it even as possible. You're gonna take more confectionery sugar and you're gonna dust it, really heavily dust it. This has to sit overnight until it sets and it kind of like dries and becomes like firm marshmallows. But you just want to put a lot of confectionery sugar on it so that it's kind of easier to deal with. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside until tomorrow morning.